trains are cool.
They really are. Yeah, reminding me of the ones we used to put like in front of our Christmas tree or around it, you know.
Tree.
Yeah.
Always looks cool. It is beautiful outside once again.
It's actually warm too. We're in the mid 80s. Let's take a look at Thread Tracker. We'll get to the temperatures, Jen, here in a second. Going into the weekend, we have the possibility for a few thunderstorms tomorrow evening, some of which could be strong. I may elevate Thread Tracker tonight at 10 o'clock, depending upon how things are looking. But Saturday and Sunday, weather pattern does settle down. The slight risk has been extended back toward the southwest to just north of the Omaha Metro. That is surrounded by a marginal risk. And again, the window for opportunity is anytime after 4 o'clock, a little better chance between about 6 and 8 o'clock for tomorrow night. We check out what's been happening this afternoon. Radar not picking up much across the area. We've had clear skies. Actually, a pretty warm afternoon. Temperatures right now are running in the mid 80s. It's currently 85 at Epley. Same thing right now in Fremont. Look at Tacoma up to 88. And for you folks in western Iowa, lower and mid 80s are the rule. And tomorrow we're looking at temperatures in the upper 80s. Wouldn't be surprised if somebody gets close to 90 degrees ahead of the front. 85 degrees right now. The dew point's quite low. Humidity just 26%. Winds are currently light out of the southwest at about 10 miles an hour. Now, where's that front at? How's it going to interact as we head into tomorrow evening? It's a forecast map, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Here's the front. Some thunderstorms over portions of eastern South Dakota. The front begins a very slow slide toward the southeast by 4 o'clock just west of us, and there are a couple of thunder showers being kicked off by the front. As it moves through between about 4 and 8 o'clock, that's probably that window and our best window for those thunderstorms, and then it pushes off toward the southeast by 6 a.m. on Saturday, giving us some pretty decent weather for Saturday and again on Sunday. Not much in the way of clouds. In fact, the only clouds of note were over northern portions of Iowa. Those are scooting off toward the east. For the remainder of tonight, another comfortable night, a little bit warmer than last night. We saw temperatures in the mid-50s last night. Tonight, probably lower 60s, 62 on the hour. The low will be around 61. Tomorrow at noon, you can see at least a hint of some showers. We'll be up around 80. Ahead of the boundary, at least on the hour, 84 at 4 o'clock. You can see some storms off to the north. I think highs will be a few degrees warmer than that. Forecast for tonight, we're looking at mostly clear skies, a low of 61. Tomorrow, we're looking at late day storms, late day into the evening, the high 88. Winds south at 15 to 20 ahead of the boundary. We're in front of the boundary long enough. We should have a pretty warm day. And then as we go into the weekend, right now Saturday and Sunday looking pretty nice. Saturday 80, 82 on Sunday. So some mild conditions there. And then you can see as we go into next week, Jen, we were talking about this yesterday. Look at these temperatures, 88 on Wednesday and 90 possible on Thursday. But there's at least a chance for a storm. Don't forget, we offer a severe weather app. It's called Storm Shield. You can also sign up for Storm Shield phone call alerts. Actually call you when an alert is issued for your area. I mentioned last night, June tends to be, and it has been, a very active month for tornadoes here. We're not done with the rain or storms. That's a good app to have around.
And we are heating up next week.
Exactly, close to 90.
All right, thanks, Jim.
Yeah.
A bizarre scene at Lowe's in Anchorage, and something lights up the sky again. But first, a 7-year-old boy takes action during a robbery. Craig's here now with your must-see on